Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting what matters ready and then acting immediately. First, confirm your Edge version and operating system so fixes apply cleanly. Once done, export bookmarks and sync to avoid data loss and save profiles. Next, open Edge DevTools with F12 or Control plus Shift plus I. This gives you live insight. Make sure to enable network logging and console. Now that tools are open, you can reproduce the Edge problem while capturing logs, so you have evidence for the next steps. You now focus on diagnosis with methodical tests and elimination. Reproduce the issue while recording console, network, and performance so you capture errors and timing. Then isolate extensions by using in private mode or disabling all extensions. This reveals interference. Next, inspect failed requests for 4xx or 5xx statuses, CORS failures, or mixed content. These explain many Edge behaviors. Also measure rendering and script delays in performance to find bottlenecks. You finish by applying a targeted fix and verifying results. If it's code, patch the offending script, add a polyfill or correct response headers. If it's an extension, disable or update it. After changes, clear cache and cookies, then retest using a clean profile and repeat your recorded repro steps to confirm resolution. If the issue persists, collect full logs, screenshots, and a minimal reproducible case. This helps when escalating. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, try a fresh browser profile before assuming system-level failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.